In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wheel speed sensors on this BMW X5. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one, I'm just going to hold the wheel so it doesn't fall. Take that out and grab the wheel and pull it off. Using a 5mm hex socket, we're going to take this screw out. There we go. Take that screw out, grab the sensor, give it a wiggle, and try to pull that out. I'm just going to use some hose pliers. You can use some needle nose pliers and just wiggle the sensor back and forth. Just try to pull it out. That's out. I'm going to pop this cover off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here, open that up, pull that wire out of there. And this cover, do the same. There's a couple little tabs on the side. Pop those up with a straight blade screwdriver. And that comes out. Go around the shock. There's another retainer that's holding it on. Pull that to the back. Take this grommet out of the retainer. Just pull that out. I'm going to pull this grommet out. I'm just going to use a trim tool just to pry this out a little bit, out of that bracket. And there's a door right here. Pop these clips up. Open that. And we can see the connector. Pull this out. A little bit of dirt and debris on there. Push down on the tab and pull that connector out. I'm going to take the new sensor and line the connector up. And push that in place. It should click down. Our connector's a little bit broken, but push yours in place. Slide this back in the box. Get the grommet lined up down below and close the door. Now push this grommet into the bracket right here. Get that lined up. And push it in. There we go. I take this grommet, it's going to go in this bracket here. On the side, you take the wire on the sensor side, and you're going to go around the shock. Push that through. Now take the wire and put it underneath this door. Push it in place. Make sure it goes under this door as well. You can close this one first, makes it a little easier. Get that lined up and close that door. Take the sensor, slide it into the knuckle, push that in place, make sure it's all the way down, and make sure that's lined up. That looks good. Take the screw, get that started. And torque that to 79 inch-pounds. Now put the wheel on. Get that lined up. put the lug bolts, get that started. And get the other lug bolts started. And snug those down. Now we're going to tighten the lug bolts to 111 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.